My video guide is about removing the new adware type extension, which is called Paint Page. The developers of the extension indicate that this is some helpful tool which paints background and text on web page. But in reality, this particular extension functions as a browser hijacker. It may also function as adware by displaying intrusive advertisements not related to the site that you visit. Another problem with this particular extension is that it is often spread through integration with many free applications, so in many cases people just download and install this particular extension unintentionally. This is why it is also considered to be the potentially unwanted program. If you have mistakenly installed this extension and you don't know how to get rid of it, this is what you can do. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and remove any third-party extensions if you find them. I also recommend researching your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and then begin researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats fully from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.